A warm good morning to you all. It's me Indra Madigewali, math teacher for grade 10. Welcome you all in today's session. So first of all, let me recall about previous class. In previous class, I discussed about sphere, surface area and volume. And then we also discussed about hemisphere and different surfaces in hemisphere, curved surface area of a hemisphere, total surface area of hemisphere and its volume. So today we are going to learn about problems based on sphere and then problems on hemisphere. So let me take first practice question based on sphere in today's class. So let me begin from first question of sphere. Here we are given, so let me draw a sphere. So this is a sphere, having radius 7 centimeter. We are calculating what is the surface area and its volume. So in a sphere, so this is sphere. Surface around the sphere is curved. So in case of sphere, surface area, total surface area and curved surface area are same because surface around the sphere is curved. So either we are asked to find surface area, total surface area or curved surface area, it's same. So based on this information, radius of a sphere is given 7 centimeter. We are asked to find what is its surface area and volume. So let me write it here. What is the radius? Radius of a sphere. Sphere is 7 centimeter. Now surface area. Surface area of a sphere is given by 4 pi r square. Surface area of a sphere, surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. We have derived this formula with the help of sphere and cylinder having equal radius, and diameter of sphere is equal to height of the cylinder. We did that. Now after getting the concept of formula of surface area of a sphere, now we can find what is the surface area with the given information where radius is 7. So 4 times what is pi? It's 22 over 7 times r square is 7 square. We can cancel 7 here. So 4 times 22 times 7, it gives surface area of a sphere which is 616 centimeter square or square centimeter. So this is the way to find surface area of a sphere when radius is 7 centimeter. Now let's calculate what is the volume. So volume of this sphere, volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 times pi r cube. So this is the formula of volume of a sphere. Here we know radius, it's 7 centimeter and pi is constant, its value is 22 over 7. So 4 over 3 times pi is 22 over 7 times what is r? It's 7. So 7 cube. We can calculate this and get the value of volume of a sphere. It's 1437 point. We can calculate this 0.33 cubic centimeter. So this is volume of a sphere having radius 7 centimeter. So these are the basic questions for understanding how to calculate surface area and volume of sphere, okay, providing the radius. Now let me take next practice question. Again, it is based on sphere. I am taking next question under the same topic of sphere. If the surface area of a sphere, here the surface area of a sphere is, it's given 36 pi square centimeter. The surface area of a sphere is known 36 pi centimeter square. What is the diameter? Diameter of a sphere is asked. Now let's see what is the given information. It's surface area of a sphere, or total surface area of a sphere is 36 pi square centimeter. With the help of this information and using the concept of surface area of a sphere, first of all we can find radius, and diameter is 2 times of radius. In that way we can calculate the radius and then diameter of this sphere. So here what is given information? Surface area, let me write total surface area of a sphere is 36 pi square centimeter. Now what is the formula to find surface area of a sphere? It's 4 pi r square is equal to 36 pi. We can cancel pi on both sides, or this is 4 times r square is 36, or what is r square? 36 over 4, or r square is 9. R square is 9. Now to find the radius we can take square root on both sides and find the value of r. So therefore r is 3 centimeter. After finding the value of r, we can easily find the diameter. So we know in a sphere we can see in the figure, so this is radius, this is radius, and what is the diameter? Diameter is distance between these 2 points, one point on the circumference to the another point on the circumference passing through the center. So this is radius r, so this is also radius r, so diameter is r plus r. So d is, therefore diameter of a sphere is twice of radius. This is 2 times 3 centimeter is 6 centimeter is diameter of the sphere, whose surface area is 36 pi square centimeter. Now we can take other questions. Let me write here. Next question, it is also based on a sphere. Here in the given information, the volume of a sphere is given 32 pi over 3 cubic centimeter. Volume of a sphere is 32 pi over 3 cubic centimeter. What is its total surface area? What is the surface area? Total surface area of a sphere. Now first of all we should know what are the formulas of volume of sphere and total surface area. So after knowing the concept of volume and surface area, we can use the concept of first of all volume. With the help of this information, volume of a sphere, we can calculate radius, because in the surface area of a sphere there is a term r. There is a variable r which is radius. So we need to find the value of radius r, and then we can use formula of TSA, or surface area or total surface area of a sphere. So we need to begin from the given parameter. Here the given parameter is volume of a sphere. It's 32 pi over 3 centimeter cube. So let me begin from the volume of a sphere. We have volume of a sphere is 32 pi over 3 centimeter cube. Now what is the formula to find volume of a sphere? It's 4 over 3 pi times r cube is equal to, what is the volume given? 32 pi over 3. So we don't need to write unit in every step. We can simplify and find the value of r, and then we can write the unit of radius at the end of solution. Let's say we can cancel pi on both sides. We also can cancel 3 from the denominators. What are the remaining terms? 4 times r cube is 32, or r cube is 32 over 4, it's 8. R cube is 8. Now for finding the value of radius r, we need to take cube root on both sides. After that we will get the value of r. So what is the radius? Cube root of 8 is 2 centimeter is radius of the sphere, whose volume is given 32 pi over 3 cubic centimeter. So after calculating the radius, now we can calculate the surface area or total surface area of this sphere. We know what is the surface area of a sphere. It's 4 pi r square. So 4 times what is pi? 22 over 7 times what is r? 2. So 2 square. So this is 4 times 22 times 2 square is 4 over 7. We can calculate this and find surface area. This is 50.28. What is the unit of area? Is square centimeter. So these are basic questions based on sphere. In some cases, volume of sphere can be given and radius or surface area will be asked in question, or in some of the questions, like in basic questions, radius is known, then we are asked to find volume and surface area. So after discussing the basic questions of spheres, now let's practice some questions of hemisphere. So what is a hemisphere? Let me recall what is hemisphere. We can see this is a sphere, its surface is curved. When we cut this sphere, this sphere, we can obtain hemisphere. So hemisphere is exactly half of the sphere when you cut from the center. And talking about the hemisphere, it has two surfaces. One is plane surface, this is circular face in the front, we can see the object, and okay, other is this is curved surface. So in case of hemisphere, we talk about what is the area of plane surface. This plane surface of a hemisphere is called great circle. But the formula of great circle, area of great circle, circumference of great circle is same as the circle. So here we need to know what is circumference of this plane circular face, what is area of this circular face, what is curved surface area, what is total surface area of hemisphere and its volume. So we are discussing some questions based on hemisphere now. Let's draw a hemisphere. Then now we know what is hemisphere, what is the curved surface area of hemisphere, total surface area and volume. Let's draw a hemisphere. This is exactly half of the sphere. The upper surface, we can say this is plane surface, and this is curved surface. And this plane surface of a hemisphere is called great circle. If the radius of this hemisphere, if the radius of this base of hemisphere is given 7 centimeter, suppose r is given 7 centimeter. Now we are calculating curved surface area, total surface area and volume of this hemisphere. First of all, what is the given information? A radius of a hemisphere is given 7 centimeter. First is what is the curved surface area? Curved surface area of a hemisphere is half of the surface area of a sphere. So this is 1/2 of surface area of a sphere, 4 pi r square. So this is 2 pi r square. Now what is the value of r? Radius 7 centimeter. So we can replace r 7. So 2 times pi is 22 over 7 times r square, 7 square. So what is 22 times 2 is 44 times, we can cancel 7 times 7. So this is 308 square centimeter. So this is the curved surface area of a hemisphere having radius 7 centimeter. Now what is total surface area? Actually total surface area is area of all surfaces contained by a solid. So here are two different surfaces. Let me show it again. There are two different surfaces. Plane surface, this is circular face, and this one is curved surface. So total surface area of this solid is sum of areas of plane circular face and curved surface. So total surface area is curved surface area plus area of plane surface, area of circle. Circular face. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square plus area of circular face. This is circular face. So what is the area of circle? Pi r square, pi r square this is equal to 3 pi r square. So this is the concept how to find total surface area formula. Now we can replace r, value of r. So 3 times phi is 22 over 7 times what is r? It's 7. 7 is square. Okay, we can cancel. Okay, 7. So 3 times, okay, 22 times 7. This is 462 square centimeter square centimeter. So this is the total surface area of this hemisphere whose radius is 7. Now the next term we are calculating here is what is the volume. To find the volume of this hemisphere, simply the volume of hemisphere is 1/2 of volume of a sphere. So what is volume of a sphere? 4 over 3 pi r cube. So 1/2 of 4 over 3 pi r cube is 2 over 3 pi r cube. So this is equal to 2 over 3 times what is pi, 22 over 7 times r cube is 7 cube. Now we can calculate the volume. So its value is 18.67. What is the unit of volume? Here unit of radius is cm, so unit of volume is cubic centimeter. So with the help of the information r equal to 7, we calculated here curved surface area, total surface area and volume of this hemisphere. Now let me take next question. It is again based on hemisphere. There are some informations given. Let me write the information. This is second question of hemisphere. The total surface area of a hemisphere, total surface area of a hemisphere is given. It's 48 pi square centimeter. What is its volume? So what is the volume? Volume equals to what? So what is the information given? Its total surface area of a hemisphere is 48 pi centimeter square. What is the volume of this hemisphere? Now in such case we always start from the given term. Here the given parameter is total surface area of a sphere. We know the formula for total surface area of hemisphere. We have total surface area of a hemisphere is 48 pi. Now what is the formula for total surface area? It's 3 pi r square is 48 pi. So we can cancel pi, or r square is 48 over 3. So what is r square? 16. So therefore radius of a hemisphere is square root of 16 is 4 centimeter. Now we know the radius of this hemisphere whose total surface area is 48 times pi. After knowing the value of r, radius, now we can find its volume. So what is the volume? Volume of volume of hemisphere, so volume of hemisphere is equal to 2/3 times pi r cube. 2/3 times what is pi? 22/7 times r cube. R is 4, it's 4 cube. So it gives me 134.095 cubic centimeter. So this is volume of hemisphere. Now let me take last question for today's class. This question says a sphere is cut into two equal halves. This is third question based on hemisphere. A complete sphere, this is a sphere. This sphere is cut into two equal halves. Here the radius of sphere is given. Radius of a sphere is given 7 centimeter, and this sphere is cut into two equal halves. And now what is the total surface area of hemispheres so formed? What is the total surface area of two hemispheres so formed? Means, let me explain this question one more time. We have a sphere having radius 7 centimeter. Suppose this is a sphere with radius 7 centimeter. This sphere is cut into two equal halves and two hemispheres are formed. Now we need to calculate what is the total surface area of these two hemispheres. For this, so what we can do is, first of all, we simply find total surface area of one hemisphere, and we know total surface area of each hemisphere same. So what is the radius here? Radius of a sphere is equal to radius of a hemisphere after cutting sphere into equal to halves. So radius of hemisphere is equal to radius of a sphere. So what is the radius of a hemisphere after cutting sphere into equal to halves? It's same, 7 centimeter. Now total surface area of one hemisphere is 3 pi r square. 3 times 22/7 times r square is 7 square. So it gives me 462 square centimeter. So this is total surface area of one hemisphere. And when we cut a sphere into equal to halves, total surface area of each hemispheres are equal. So what is total surface area of another hemisphere? It's same, 462. So therefore the total surface area of two hemispheres so formed, the total surface area of two hemispheres so formed is equal to twice of TSE of one hemisphere, 462. So this is 924 square centimeter. Here in fact this sphere is cut into two hemispheres. This is one hemisphere and here is another hemisphere. So we can get clear idea from this. So radius are equal, 7 centimeter. That's all for today. Thank you all for being with me and have a nice day ahead. Thank you all.